Welcome back to our final video in this series. I want to talk to you about our analysis page. What this page is, something we have built based on requests from our community of users. Many times they wanted us to share with them the codes that we use for our own analysis. And we decided to actually include this as a clean, nice way of sharing our codes with you. This is an under construction page. We will keep adding more and more of our methods and codes here. So far we have 2 example codes here, but I will explain here how you can use this. First of all, let's say you want to run any custom analysis inside this. What this page is like an R Studio page. If you have worked with R, if you have coded with R, you know that you have one place to select your environment. Those are the files that you include in your project or need to export. You have a place to write your actual code. This is the console view where the output of your analysis is shown. And then here, write your code and then click on play, and the code will run for you. It has certain formatting, but usual R code will work very nice here. You can get it from any AI or just write your own AI code or write your own R code. Very soon we will have this AI assist button working too, so that you can use this to write your AI code. But let me just give you an example from one of our analysis. What these analysis down here are basically our custom analysis page, but we have an actual sample code here. But for each of them, we have our actual sample code in it. In this one, for example, for meta-analytic studies, one of the things that we do is to calculate composite scores for cases where there is one construct and multiple measurements that are children of the same parent within one paper, and we want to calculate the composite effect. For that, we need to include a few files, including an export of our taxonomy and a recent export of our data file. So if we check these two, this analysis is now ready to run. So if I click on play, this will send all of this data and our code to the R server we have running on HubMeta. It will process this, and you can see this shows the pipeline that is running on these 496 papers to generate the data with composite scores in it. Let's give it a minute to finish its job. All right, now we can see that the job is finished and it created the output files. If we look at this console, and down here you see the actual files that were generated through this, and this one will be the one that I take out. So it really depends on the R code that you have and the type of analysis you want, but this essentially gives you a complete platform to do analysis. We are constantly developing new techniques and new ways of doing things. Like in this one, it does meta-analytic correlation tables. We have developed new ways of data cleaning, new ways of taxonomy, many different effect size tools. And this part, which is on qualitative analysis, this is something that we have assembled a fantastic team who are qualitative researchers and are helping us to build the qualitative analysis version for HubMeta. Well, we hope that in the next 3 to 6 months, we will see an extension of HubMeta into qualitative systematic reviews. Thank you for being with us in this new series of videos from HubMeta. Please share with us if you have any questions, if you found an issue on HubMeta, or if you had any suggestions for things that we can do better inside the platform to make it work better for our open science mission.